The sound of the clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Listen to the sound of the clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Don't stop. I get out of bed at 7. At 7 o'clock, Tom gets out of bed. He has his breakfast of jam and bread. He takes his stick. It's 8:30. He walks to school. He's sometimes late. I go to school at 8:30. I have lunch at 1:15. He teaches the lions. It's lots of fun. Then Tom has lunch at 1:15. I play games till 3:45. They all play games till 3:45. Then they all sing songs and play some more. I have tea at 5. At 5 o'clock, Tom goes home for tea. At 5:30, he watches TV. I watch TV at 5:30. I do my homework at 7:30. At 7:30, it's homework time. He does his homework and stops at 9. At 9:30, it's time for bed. Little Tom is a sleepy head. I go to bed at 9:30. Tick tock, tick tock. Listen to the sound of the clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Don't stop.